Alright, so welcome to the introduction to the complete revision guide for IB Maths HL and SL with MathsWithMartin. I am myself a former IB student who received a 7 in Maths HL and who spent a great deal of time revising and structuring my revision for the finals, so I do see myself as well equipped to tutor this course. This video will introduce you to the course and hopefully explain what it will contain and whether the course is for you. I also want to remind you that I am an online private tutor for a large tutoring corporation, but I have in recent times decided to do some online private tutoring myself for a fraction of the price. So if you're interested in more detailed and personalized revision tutoring, help with planning your entire revision, or perhaps with your internal assessment, contact me through the email down in the description. The revision of any IB subject is, according to me, one of the most essential components in receiving a good grade in that subject. It is during the revision that you finally learn the majority of what you will use in your finals, seeing as you will be revising topics that you have covered over a time period for more than 1.5 years, much of which has already slipped your mind. Due to the vastness of the syllabus, this course will not teach the topics from the basics and is thus not for someone to learn the topics, but rather for students doing the revision. I will assume some basic knowledge of the different topics and focus on outlining what is required of you to know, explaining perhaps the more difficult part, and what I have experienced are the most important for the IB exams, all in a concise way. If you need some topics more thoroughly explained, contact me via my email. The structure of the course will follow the IB Math syllabus for HL and SL, and I will clearly state which parts of the course that are, for example, outside of the SL syllabus. The course will be divided into 6 sections, seeing as there are 6 topics of the maths courses: algebra, functions and equations, circular functions and trigonometry, vectors, statistics and probability, and calculus. Each topic will in turn be divided into a number of different videos, all regarding one particular part of said topic. So, for example, the first video of the algebra section will be regarding sequences and series, and the second exponentials and logarithms, etc. So that's all for this introduction video. I genuinely think that this course will help a lot of you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to be the first to be notified when the first episode of the course is released. This is MathsWithMartin, and good luck with your studies.